I sit inside of these walls, but they've got it all wrong.
So for the last 3 months, we have been working with Susan Bendek's think.org. They took giving us back our power and our voices through performing arts, through poetry, to allow us to find ourselves, find out who we are, find our inner peace, give us the opportunity to express what we normally can't do in the prison, yelling, writing poetry, speaking our truth without hindering who we are in our growth. The world condemns without even knowing my name. The world condemns, keeping this vicious cycle the same. We are at Arizona Department of Corrections, Rehabilitation and Reentry, also known as Perryville, Women's Prison.
So all of us together, and we all have a strong belief in making arts accessible. And people in these kinds of settings are about as authentic as you can find. And art deals with authenticity and depth and often a lot of pain and a lot of struggle and a lot of tension. And so this kind of a setting, if you're interested in pulling art, it's perfect.
And so she asked that we all write about our own sober house or our own safe house. And I got to tell you, I wrote it one time, but I rewrote it in my head a million times. My sober house is beautiful, healthy, open, available at all hours. My sober house is your sober house with love from me to you. This is an institution that is supposed to be about recovery and reentry. And I think the therapeutic value behind this class alone, this weekly class alone that we've been taking, the therapeutic value behind it is immeasurable.
The world tells me that I am nothing, yet I'm woke today. An addict no longer controlled by the struggles that I may have to take along the way. My poem basically was how the world sees a convict, how the world sees criminals or addicts, but not your typical drug addict. There's different forms of addiction. There's food, there's people that are addicted to sex, there's people, I talked about shame, guilt. It's really about the things that we don't allow ourselves to heal from to find out who we are. So my objective was to share, this is who I was, this is the choices that I made, but they do not define who I'm becoming and where I'm going.
Today you saw woman in the making, creation. You saw reality, tenderness, pain, desire, hope, anticipation. You saw freedom. That's what you saw today, freedom in the color orange.
And this program starts that empowerment, gives us a voice, teaches us resilience. I'm passionate about the journey I'm on, and we're all on the same journey. We just find different ways to get there.
Missing my mama.